Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. Well, we're wrapping it up. Wrapping it up for tonight. And I'm about to get out of here. I'm doing some illegal parking. Farmer Mike, why are you parking on the sidewalk? Hey, I got the cones out. So as long as he has the cones out, you can park on the sidewalk if you're dropping off some loads. But actually had a chance, had to get in here and get some, Pablo, stay out of the greenhouse. Pablo was catnapped. Farmer Mike tracked the thief and got him back. Check out that video on the YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Pablo, get from underneath there. Say hi to your fans, Pablo. Pablo is ready for his friskies. Hey, wait, gotta get you in focus, baby. Anyway, Pablo is looking for mice. Go get me some mice, Pablo. Anyway, we had an awesome day today. Got a lot of work done. Got some new coolers in for the eggs. Of course, we're gonna be selling a lot of eggs. Local organic egg sale this Saturday. Still working on my digital billboard, and almost there. And just got the coding figured out. And it was a pain, actually. So I'll do an hour loop tonight, and we'll have that ready tomorrow. That has been my nemesis. That has been really, really hard getting that figured out, getting that tweaked. But you know what? Failure is the process, right? We learn through failure. Write that down. Learn through failure, right, Pablo? Pablo failed so many times when I was teaching Pablo the farm cat to how to catch mice, and then just one day he got it. I would love to show you that video, but Facebook flagged it and took it down. Well, they didn't do that. They just said they put something up like it was obscene or something. They put something up, click this if you if you want to watch. And the sad thing about it is Pablo didn't even kill that mouse. He was playing with that mouse, and that mouse got away. So anyway, the algorithm doesn't want you to know where real food comes from. Here we are outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. That's grandmother Ophelia. Hey, Sophie. That's our website, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. And that is our logo right there. Doesn't that look nice? Get you some fresh herbs and whatnot as well. Get your thyme, your cilantro, your lemon balm. Really love that. If you have problems sleeping at night, then lemon balm is what you need. Or you can come on down to Ophelia's, and I'll give you the workout, and I guarantee you won't have any problem. You won't have any problem sleeping at night. You won't need that lemon balm if you get the the work in at Ophelia's. Anyway, I got to get out of here. I think we're going on maybe 8 o'clock. Pablo, get out! Pablo, I'm not playing with you. Gotta come back here, and it's coming along. I swear it's coming along. We win through consistency. We win. It's a little bit every day. A little bit every day is really what it takes. Are you following your passion? Are you living in your spirit? Are you living in your gift? Let me know down below in the comment section. Grandma Ophelia would always say, make sure, ouch, who put that there? Make sure to turn off the light. So, Farmer Mike is getting out of here. Maybe one day we'll be fancy, and I'll get all these lights hooked up to the clapper. You remember that? If you remember the clapper, clap on, clap off. If you remember the clapper, let me know in the comment section. And you can also send us one of those. It'd be really cool. You just clap and the lights will go off. Anyway, having a great time on the Vine in the Jazz District, where it lives. Farmer Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. We are the #1 urban farm in America because we work really hard and we love what we do. And the goal is to inspire one person at a time.